Babe?
Yeah.
Remember when you said I could put an LS in the Jeep as long as I got a tow pig?
Yeah, why?
No reason.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to focus everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
So they got a lot of trucks here.
And Broncos. Veteran owned. Canal. And get out of here. Oh my gosh, shit.
What's happening, Jeep fam? Yeah, the Jeep looks a little taller now, doesn't it? Ah, it's on a trailer, but no, it's not broke down, as you guys can hear. In the background, we got ourselves a tow pig. This is it, as the new girl. Dually, crew cab, Duramax. She's ready to rip. 2011 GMC, Big Booty Judy. You guys need to come up with a name, put it in the comments, and that's what we are gonna call the old girl right here. But right now, we are headed up to Michigan because this weekend we got my buddy Tyler. Him and his fiance are getting married on Saturday, so we're super pumped for them. Congratulations, guys. All right, y'all, we are loaded up again. We are on our way to my buddy's wedding down south in southern Michigan. We're gonna head there today for the reception. Or not the reception, the pre-dinner. I don't know what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, we got the old boat trailer strapped down with the Jeep on top. This is the boat trailer strapped to the freaking car trailer. We got some flags out here. I put some reflective pieces of tape up there, so we should be good. I am actually gonna add another piece, a little flag tape onto my hitch so it's at eye level as well. But we're loaded down. We're a little wider than the trailer. We're almost too long for the U-Haul trailer, but it's okay. We got the Duramax sitting here idling, getting her ready to rip. Ultimately, what we're gonna be doing is heading down there. Wedding's on Saturday. Sunday we head back to Iowa. And the reason I have to bring a little boat trailer is something special for you guys. So I can't say what it is yet, but I'll get into that when we get there. Either way, I'm gonna put this on the hitch of the Jeep and we're gonna get on the road. We got a couple stops to make before we actually head out down to southern Michigan. We have to be there by around 4, so we're leaving a little early, but it's okay because we got some stops to make. I gotta fill up on fuel and we're gonna get on the road. We'll see you guys. What's happening, y'all? Y'all probably thinking like, who the heck is that guy? Yeah, got the haircut off. Got the haircut off. Got that mohawk back. We are here actually at the hotel down in Sturgis. And we are going to be getting ready for my buddy's wedding today. So this is going to be the end of the video, guys. We have a 8.5 hour drive back to Iowa tomorrow. So that's where we're going to be heading tomorrow. But until then, we got some wedding shit to do. You guys have a good day. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's free. All you gotta do is just, you know what I mean? Give this a like if you like it. If not, that's okay. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine too. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have an amazing rest of your day.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world starts spinning, is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world starts spinning, is your head spinning too? My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did my heart stop?
It is currently 4:40 in the morning. I just got over. It's a good day. We're getting ducks. We got some over here. Finally got our limit. We only need 2 more.